Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (Mcpcr) has taken suo motu cognizance of reports regarding alleged shortages of food and essential facilities at Eklavya Model Residential School, Zaikuluang Loktak project. The Commission has directed the authorities concerned to conduct an immediate inquiry into the matter. In its letter issued on Tuesday, the Mcpcr said preliminary reports indicated that food supplies were inadequate compared to the actual number of resident students and staff, which reportedly led to the scarcity of essential food items. It was also reported that breakfast was not provided to students on previous days due to depletion of food stocks. Some students reportedly required medical treatment, while several others were taken home by their parents over concerns about their health and nutrition. The Commission, exercising its powers under Section 14 of the Commission for Protection of Child Rights Act 2005, directed the Deputy Commissioner of Churatanpur and the Director of Travel Affairs and Hills to ensure immediate restoration of food supplies, healthcare, safe drinking water, accommodation and other essential services for students. The officials have been asked to verify the alleged deficiencies and ascertain the reasons behind them. They have also been directed to fix responsibility for any negligence if established and take corrective measures. The Mcpcr has sought a factual report along with an action taken report within 48 hours. It also instructed authorities to ensure safe and secure environment before bringing back students who were taken away from the hostel.